Hello everyone, this is Ravati working as an assistant professor in the Department of Information Technology from SNS College of Technology. In my previous video, we have seen about what is data communication, and my next video is about TCP/IP protocol shoot. In this video, we are going to see about OSI architecture. This is the important topic in the computer network subject. Before moving to this particular architecture, we will see the just recap of on my previous lecture video. This is the recap of TCP/IP protocol shoot. In this TCP/IP protocol shoot, we have four layers, which is application layer, transport layer, internet layer, and the network access layer. It is further divided into data link layer and physical layer. We have seen detailed about this layer in my previous video. In this video, we will just learn about why we are going for OSI layers instead of TCP/IP layer. Then, why do we need OSI layer? This is the empathize phase of this video. First, let us understand why OSI layers are needed for data communication. Just imagine every day we send messages, emails, and files through the internet, but behind the scenes, many devices from different companies are involved hiddenly. If there are no common rules, communication will become confusing. Devices may not understand each other. So, to avoid confusion and ensure clear communication between the source and destination, the OSI layers are used. Then, uh, problems without OSI models are: imagine communication without layers. What problems may occur? Already I said in my previous video, data may get lost, data may reach to the wrong person, then errors may not be detected, then troubleshooting become difficult, so communication will be slow and unreliable. Then what is OSI model used? This is the ideate phase of OSI layer. To solve this problem, the OSI models was designed. OSI stands for Open System Interconnection. It divides the data communication into 7 layers, and each layer is having some specific functions. Then this makes networking easy to understand, then easy to design, and easy to troubleshoot. Then OSI layer prototypes are, let us go through the 7 OSI layers from top to bottom. Application layer, presentation layer, session layer, and then transport layer, network layer, data link layer, and the physical layer. We will see one by one in the detailed manner with its functionality. Then first layer is the application layer. This is the layer closest to the user. Then examples for these layers are email, web browsers. Then it allows user to access the network services. Then it allows users can view the messages from the system or from the hardware. Then next layer is the presentation layer. This layer handles data format, encryption and decryption. In sender side, it performing encryption process. In the receiver side, it will perform decryption for the original message retrieval. It makes sure data is readable. Then the next layer is the session layer. This layer starts communication and maintains communications and ends the communication. It is all about the session management. Then the next layer is the transport layer. This is the interface between the user support layer and the network support layer. Then it ensures reliable data delivery, error control, and flow control. It makes sure data reaches properly to the receiver. Then the next layer is the network layer, finds the best path from source to destination, that means sender to receiver. Then it uses logical addressing, it routes data from source to destination. The next layer is data link layer, it handles physical addressing, and it also detects error and corrects error using some of the error corrections method like CRC, cyclic redundancy check, and it ensures error free data transfer between two nodes or two devices. Then the last layer is a physical layer. This is the lowest layer. It deals with the cables, signals, hardware. It sends raw bits over the network. Then, how data travels? When you send a message, data moves from application layer to physical layer. At the receiver side, the data moves from physical layer to upper layer, that means application layer. Data is broken into packets and reassembled. This step-by-step flow ensures smooth communication between sender and the receiver. The real world example for this one is, let us take a simple example. When you send a email, application layer, email services, then the transport layers is about delivery, then the network layer is finds best path between the sender and receiver, then the physical layer sends the signals to receiver. At the receiver side, the reverse process will happen. And it is also having some of the challenges. It is complex to implement more layers, mean more processing will happen, not directly used in the real networks, but still OSI is very useful for learning and understanding. And then this is the time for conclusion. To conclude, OSI model explains how the data is traveled from source to destination, and how it will be encrypted, decrypted, and how it will be broken into packets and reassembled in the receiver side. It and it also divides the communication into 7 layers. It helps in design, learning, and troubleshooting of data communication. Well, this video will help us to understand how the OSI layer is very essential for data communication. Thank you for watching.